rocking with the Sky Light. We got two of the DayBetters. This projector gonna look pretty cool, hopefully. What's up, guys? It's your boy Isaiah, and today we're going to be lights today. I got some DayBetters and a little projector. This is not really gonna be a how-to. It's more or less just gonna be a before and after. First time doing it, so I don't think these gonna be up there forever. Because I thought they were longer, but they're not. So worst case, I can just take these down. Because once the hooking's up, you can just replace it for longer LED strands. But I can always just take these down and put them on like our desk or something, and eventually wire longer ones all around the room. After all this hanging and installing, y'all will be able to see a nice before and after. Also, before I forget, if you buy 3M sticky things, please make sure that you don't just put it straight on the wall, because it will rip your paint off. They're very sticky, so what I recommend is get you some Scotch tape. Don't have to be anything crazy. Just put a couple tabs of Scotch tape down, then bend it so you can easily remove it. Then stick the very sticky thing on it, so you got the secure connection, but you don't have to worry about it ripping up your wall when you want to move something. Back to the installation. Alright, y'all, real quick update video. So, probably can't see it. I got the clips on the tape. I got it routed all the way down and under my wire mess. And it's pretty long, the actual LED strip. It comes with adhesive too, but I don't trust the adhesive, so I'm gonna just line up clips all around and connect them. And it's very long, so I'm highly confident it'll reach either that corner or at least that corner. Hopefully that corner. That'd be perfect. Cause there's only one. Each box comes with two, so I can have that go that way, other one go that way. Then later on, route the other one over there and go that way, that way. So then put the projector. So all this will be looking good. And back at it. Alright, back with a quick update video. If you focus. As you'll see, it stopped there, but I managed to get it all the way around. Now I'm starting this side, and so go all the way around. Might stop right there. Yep. Then the last one, have it start from the ground, go up, connect there, stop there, then go right, then connect there and stop there. Pretty simple install. It would probably just take you like a day if you sit there and do it all day. But can't wait to see what it looks like during the nighttime. And I need to unbox the projector, so let's keep on going. Oh! Somebody! Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so I don't really know how many videos I recorded, but this should be the fourth and semi-final, well, second to final. Flip this around. I finally made it over here. As you can see, this is where it started. The power bank is a little ugly, but it's not going to ever be in the camera, so I don't personally care. The lights get real bright. Turn them off for a second. I got one more that I'm gonna put up in this corner, then go from here to there. I'm gonna either do that, I'm gonna also do some research to see if I can just connect these two, but I'm not really sure about that because I don't know how the power adapter would do with it. I'm gonna have to just do a bunch of research or just rig it up. It's not gonna take long. And I think it'd be cool because since it's on two different things, and since it's kind of perfect too because it's in the corner, it can be like its own color or something. Have it be rainbow while everything else is solid, or have this one be solid, everything else rainbow. So it'd be like a nice contrast. And I can try to do something cool with it. I'll get it all figured out. Figure out where to put this. This is the Sky Light. It's a projector that I got off Amazon. I don't think it was that expensive. Bone tight, as y'all can see. It's only about 50 bucks. You can get it at Home Depot and Walmart, allegedly. I got mine off of Amazon. And keep in mind, if you want the blue one is $10 more than the green one. I don't know why. why, but it's how they do it. It's not gonna be a super duper unboxing because this video is mainly just an update video on the studio and the lighting I'm trying to do for our little room. But this projector, I've seen a lot of people use it. I have high hopes, but I'm gonna let y'all know and y'all will see firsthand if it's trash. I'm not gonna read the buttons. I mean, got power buttons, got the cycling buttons. I do not think this comes with a remote, which kind of sucks, but shouldn't be too bad. Get this open. Alright, that was a lot harder than it needs to be, but finally found some scissors, and then we'll destroy the box. So here we go, one-handed unboxing. So it comes with the usual. For best results, please remove protective film. I wonder who haven't did that. That's funny. Instructions / pamphlet. Oh, okay, here's the instructions. That's probably like better. Pamphlet will show you what's other things that comes with it. So the top one is power on. It also goes to pulse mode, stars mode, cloud, and power off. The middle button is the rotation. Then the bottom controls brightness. Yeah, that's cool. On its own, it's a lot bigger than what the box shows, which I believe is a plus. It's very light, so you don't have to worry about it being very heavy. I wish it came with an angle cord, because you have to plug it in behind the dresser. It's going to make it difficult for you to do that, so it's not really key. And there's nothing underneath the box. I'm going to hook this up and test it real quick. Laser radiation. Do not stare into beam class 2 laser product. That's interesting to know. Alright, so I got it all connected and whatnot, and I have to say it's pretty bright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. If y'all enjoy the video, smack that like button, like and subscribe. I got weekly videos of music, home improvement stuff. Do you want to start car building? Because, I mean, who don't like cars? But if you want to just hang out with your boy, you already know. Subscribe. I got hella content on the way. And I might even start the gaming channel again. Who knows? But thank you for watching this far. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And can't really do anything without y'all. So take it easy. You already know. Peace. Hopefully tomorrow the dude I hit up is gonna have cover art done, because I plan on releasing a beat tape. I haven't released one in a year and a half, so it's really exciting for me. Get my newer stuff out, or just current stuff, all the vibes. But hit the like button, comment, subscribe if you enjoy what you see, and I'll be right back with the after. As y'all can tell, I'm tired. I forgot to do this. It's like 2 in the morning, but hit that thumbs up. Let me know how it looks. It was fun to install. See you on the next one.